I'm Lori Clayton. I'm the clinical director here at Renew Health Centers, the place for regaining your health and vitality.
And I'm Dr. Alexander Haskell, and we are offering a purification program designed around assisting your body's innate wisdom to bring about health by purification through getting toxins out of the system.
One of the primary causes of illness is that we have trillions of cells and they're undernourished, which leads to a wide range of symptoms.
Yeah, every cell needs nutrients. If it's just like having an automobile that doesn't get the right octane of gas, our cells require a multitude of different nutrients. And if one of those nutrients is lacking, the cell begins to falter, begins to lower its vitality, its function. Therefore, we can have a wide range of symptoms, anywhere from just fatigue to arthritis to autoimmune conditions because a cell has not been nourished properly. That's one of the primary causes of illness. The second is that cells are meant to be sort of pristine in their function, and if they become overloaded with various environmental toxins or even toxins produced within the body, they begin to falter as well. They just can't keep up with the burden of these toxins that come into our bodies. This is part of in terms of the internal world, is part of the metabolic waste. And if the body cannot eliminate that waste, then of course it begins to falter and our health declines. So the two primary reasons are the body, trillions of cells are not getting nourished, and secondly, they're overwhelmed or overburdened by all these toxins. So what does the body do? It does the best it can to eliminate these. There's different pathways of elimination or detoxification, but no body is 100% perfect in this elimination. So what happens is the body tries to get those toxins out of the bloodstream as quickly as possible to protect vital organs like the brain, and actually compartmentalize these toxins. And the two primary sites for the storage of these toxins, one is the lymphatic system, which bathes every tissue, every organ and gland in the body. And the fat cells are not vital to our health, so the body's intelligence is innate wisdom that we all have. This innate physician says, where can I put these toxins in my body that's not going to affect necessarily my overall health? And the least vital, the least important cells are those fat cells just under the skin. That's a great way to get it out of the bloodstream, protect the body, the vital organs, and shunt them into the subdermal fat layer.
So one of the best ways to eliminate toxins from the subdermal fat layer is through our skin, through sweating and perspiration, and we use the ozone saunas to rapidly accelerate that detoxification process.
The importance of ozone is that it's in a category of an oxidizer, meaning that it grabs onto electrons or tissues and breaks them down. So it's much easier to eliminate these sort of broken down or metabolized toxins through the skin. The ozone does penetrate through the skin slightly because with the heated saunas, blood is brought to the surface, to the capillary beds, and actually some ozone is absorbed through that very thin layer of the skin. Ozone actually enters into the bloodstream and promotes health, helps to reduce the levels of bacteria and also fungus and viruses in the body. So not only are we eliminating toxins of the skin, but we're also helping to treat and oxygenate tissues as well.
The other thing that we use here at Renew Health Centers is the use of lymphatic hydrotherapy.
And this hydrotherapy has been used by medical doctors and various therapists, became very infamous for their use and their cures using simply hot and cold waters. So the hydrotherapy is very simple but very effective, and that is the use of hot compresses and then followed by a cold compress. A cold compress stimulates the vitality to want to warm up that cold compress. The hot and cold alternating helps to purify the blood, helps to bring in, sort of push away toxins from liver, stomach, spleen, pancreas, intestines, push away toxins and bring back in some fresh nutrients in those organs. So that's what we're offering to you, is an amazing purification program of getting toxins, getting rid of what's called toxemia of the body or the blood. And if we can get those toxins out, the vitality of the body will increase. So as you can tell, we are very excited. Our heart is in this project partly because we know that anyone who goes through our purification program is going to feel a renewal of their health and vitality. There's no doubt about that. Feel free to call us. Don't hesitate. We're here for you to help answer any questions you have about your health. And we're very honored to not only offer this program, but anyone who wants to enter our clinic, our community, to learn more about themselves, more about health, and go through an experiential cleansing, purification program. Please feel free to join us.
So we invite you to join us to renew your health and vitality.
Great. Thanks for watching.